coach Jimmy Cobra goes away after supporters chase him out. And he's not in talking terms with Abubakar Damba, and Damba is being chased out by the supporters, alleging he is taking money from players' managers. Tama, Carrera is in disarray, complete disarray. Me know what I say. Almost almost truck on my FN say almost Jimmy Cobra no. Jimmy Cobra also I say the life is in danger because supporters no attract no. Nti omukọ akra no wa mabiem wa ma wakoka hono mo say na kra ma and ama IBC basa ho no mo damba na waka na o he change so omo se coach be be ho no o wona se o pa adwuma na ye na ojiji skafi players agent ho no mo and managers ho na omo bo matches wa bra players ni nya de omo last match on boy tama say board member baako abufu ko park no so ko ka kire Damba say onyi player bi free because player no season nyina omo bo onya de enti ensem a afiase a eburu ba o Carrera no say say yetu ani kohwe ho na yekokohwe se na yesi bi ko ho no na eno so akwakwa de ho no kakra tama pini maminsha ho forces Ocloo out. Eric Bequin's presence forces Ocloo to tender in his resignation, but Ogum is not happy and find himself in a wonderland. Tama, information ye picking say omobo future stars match no ye pe na Ocloo enu kra match ye se ampona oye opie enu ano pua enu okoye fi won no o ma team ni biem onko training grounds onye hwe omuti asore na je say wakọ secretariat odun kwada so de letter akoma akoto se wajai na akoto so frɛ kwasi apia bɔ na mane enti se yi no Ocloo's resignation no has left coach Prosper Nate Ogum in a wonderland ohun de wonye because of course say sisi yi no wama ne ho abeda kwan ka on na nka wo ho no mo a ka oye ne backup kakra ka obegirejia na chia na so obebo ano no isi ono no ja no hokọ abra oye yi information ni say IMC for no afre Ocloo say omra na ka o mekire ade any how na ka o mo hwe kon be fa so metimi assettle but Ocloo omo frɛ no kra omua wo mo enti sisi de
omo na frɛ Ocloo mo wa na frɛ no
IMC for no sinka say ade kronti o person resign no and I was
so be state you letter no
or say personal reasons
so that's all, that's it.
But omo tin some foforo
than what is in the letter.
Aye.
He has on my friend.
Intiama officially no omo accept resignation no.
I will just accept it. Sasa me am intiasi o. Me ya juma me se me just accept ndu de me kwa kotena juma mu ana.
Oh say inti na ye friend say ko omra na.
We jai was so.
Omo kese bia. Bibi ho no.
Obi ya juma no ke we jai. Ti mu man nko no apefoforo.
No, I abandoned the duty post craft for this.
Well, Joey has written an official.
And I feel the letters and I
no man.
Yeah,
no man bevel
for. For what we are hearing, no, Bequin is being considered say, Ebia, you be pushing Asha Hono Mama. What to take? Yes, you man and answer. Yeah, and also the man, or by and also the presence in the Ocloo at their home.
Said danger.
I say, who say, Pidu be by Bantiran.
Now, Ocloo has a me wa. Bequin what then?
See.
Better now, I could be pretty.
Says, no.
Oh, but said the issue of Bequin, so back on your baby, that is well defined, and that is not Ocloo's position. So why you force
well defined?
Oh, says, but who doesn't know what Bequin is coming to do, Kotoko? Bequin is not coming to be an assistant coach of Kotoko.
No, he's coming as a member of the technical team.
But he's not coming as an assistant coach of Kotoko.
No, not as an assistant.
So they are never better.
So he says, so be banana. I would also to for and the Majuma say, Ubenya baby, after you jump before
my man go phone or discuss Ocloo in that vein. I think he's experienced enough. Jumana no when you be bentin or
but he said there should be a reason. I want to be judgment out of nothing.
I didn't know jogging club Jai Liverpool.
That was how they know also why Nibra why man be point.
Oh, team house support to coach or no I champions in a cause we die.
And to say what the man.
So I said it's personal. When somebody says something is always over corner hearing in a massive natural. He says one I can't say as well say a person. He said it. So that must be respected.
Yeah, but beyond that, you know, in the 18 be the year can say
people can go ahead and speculate, but not say a person idea. You respect that.
Fully respect.
Why we like that? Obviously, I don't need a personal. It's personal.
Now what in some way, I know what Janice are.
Why not in them?
So
he who is alleged,
they
all can some way.
It explains why the IMC has not officially accepted. Let alone them match it. But they've not officially accepted the resignation because they believe they can talk him to have to rescind his decision.
Sana magajo.
Sana metie. Saying Kabunyana sa. And as at least they want to know the reason or the rationale behind the decision he has taken because it's not clearly stated in the resignation letter. No.
What is not clearly stated? And then any clearly stated.
Reason. The reason behind why all con judge man.
And then I also say a person.
Oh, by the time I say personal, is not enough. Say personal. Say bibi na me personal.
When you are Brianna.
Tama.
When I say I'm living Orepa FM, Net TV, reason a person, I would say it's not clearly stated.
There be
what is clearly stated is a personal.
The personal thing.
Maybe I would TB, I mean, can't just say a personal. Personal means for about 20 minutes. When do you jogging club? He said it's personal. And you see, apart from a Juma, because a Juma now, old man, I will Liverpool and you are calling in the crop. And no crowd man here personal more because
no, when you're
yes, yeah, Juma, yeah, Juma. My man and Gwe said, yeah, we are singing any Juma. We have our families, we have extended ones, we have wives, we have children, we have friends, we have other options in life. And to do baby, I feel say, mean to me, near Juma, my banner, a drada copy memenda. No bit mama Juma, I call once a week. I can decide to take that one, and it's personal. So let us respect the person and move on. Remember, we make some more. Why you say it's personal? Let's respect that.
I heard the days ahead.
No, young grand out here, you Juma. And what better group?
And your personal bed more.
And the personal was that you consider a lot of things.
But there's a lot in town, though.
So we can move there.
You're moving we
can move there. But I say, personal no kind so clearly defined.
And I make a choice say, Yati personal. But yet it be so one chain.
Fine. So let's respect the person. Let's respect the person and have our conversation.
On the other two channel.
What do you mean? What I say?
That's why I feel
Me see. So be a man or say we personal. Let's respect that. But it doesn't stop us from having our conversation
concerning the attitude.
The attitude.
But and can say clearly.
Ebi say sika.
Ebi so. No, no, come back to us. So Obi anko to about that is a decision. What would you mean? Yeah. Obi kwet to each other to say no. That is his decision. So oni nyina no say dey come. So Obi o anko be a protest. Obi also so we mempe we so count mempe kra. They are all decisions. On this is say personal.
Yo, who say me get personal into my jatum. My jatum by your thing someone chain.
Okay, I feel young cause answer no so.
Yatiti ebi mo was a prinami show chain. Ebi so esika. Ebi so say it's a whole
sika saying how can somebody who has a contract with the club and a contract they're running about Sikasem. I'm surprised.
Sikasem be when you be baby and no better than.
Which is not a half for problem.
Oh, baby, I am for any be a quitting for.
Those all coming cars if you graduate from.
Yeah, it's Tama. Sighting the now is Kakra place Ojai. Say, how the ideas can if you man on the person or also didn't.
Nina, my person.
Yes, not the 10,000 or has. Inti, as a million bits me up 1 year, she more.
No, just say 10,000. I know, but you say Ocloo.
I say, bear half of it.
I saw tea.
I know I'm Pinama.
Sana met.
Ofi house ne ba Kotoko. To open ne ba ye.
Sana
Obi and he was not bundled and thrown in.
Zamu montoazo na memo.
Okay.
Montoazo. Let me take my phone.
That's how I said the obedi da ba here.
Let me
Because
take my
I
phone.
have a man no ye no oja ba Kotoko.
Omo mamuaye o.
You to be so boy tira.
Amen.
Pushi we ne de to us there.
Because you see we are juma baby. Na say o ti ase so be kwa go half of your salary baby. Ebia there are other pecuniary interests. There are other interests. Bi kura na baby a okwe kura na obi obemu aduane adi kwa. Onto aduane obi ama odan dem kwa. So wow decision. Why you pay? I don't there.
Ocloo. It was like now you or Hono Kotoko fan from Tamano house from Kofana by you.
Ojaye.
Yes, a time that Ojaye no what
He left.
And yes, even though so best amount of Okan but now Ojaye more TV. And to the now be about
resign.
Yeah, he resigned.
It has not just 10,000.
Or you'll be a resignation.
There's a house not just 10,000.
Oh,
So
Ocloo no. Or 10,000.
yeah, based on the CV near
And in the CV where he has worked. If you are the managers in your idea. Because in coaches be almost 10,000 Ocloo.
Okay.
And he has to look for other managers to negotiate well for him. So I'm passing on 5,000 Kotoko. Kotoko so o man idea.
Hey.
Easy.
There was some language.
Easy. Now more group 5,000.
Me
Or 5,000 player.
Me can say ya na say
5,000.
So o buy. Open it.
And he said ya ba back I am the phone ready there. Almost send the text. Say o group e 10 na bra.
Maybe I attend the obeba.
Hey, coach just coach 5,000 there.
For all you know, maybe I know what the be put deal. So I say yeah juma na we na mo di be ma me dia.
Difference no.
Say super.
There be and they are na sanity.
Oh, back we dey keso.
I know they every
Most of you are to the phone, to the phone,
because you overcome no. Na baby, near my head coaches for the general. And no my sister and the move.
Oh, and all over the world. That is how it is. All over.
The back with the dollar.
Now say I'm not trying to go mama and just out. You see, can I make tick. As some paying for the baby. And so I'm not trying to.
Some of the doors.
Anyway,
7 doors.
young anyway, so bad.
Tamanti, or say it's time to clean up Ghana football. We cannot use World Cup as an excuse. We have to be hard on the FA.
Okay.
Senior journalist and the brother of a former sports minister, Yao Ampofankra, claims.
No, Ampofankra, but the position is
She said, I want to Ghana beach soccer president.
And no, say, oh, yeah,
and I say, a Dubra is a clinic Ghana football.
Why more?
Why state why moon is on clean up no.
Or Casa as then.
I said, I want to believe, say, the position in the engineer say,
anything
soccer on a down. And I say, it's a trade man.
There be a no coffee done for some by a real and no copa.
Oh, and I thought we are open and idea.
Say,
first
of all, the only capacity. Answer.
I
I don't think you're speaking as the president or chairman of beach soccer. I don't think so. For the beach soccer, no, so they see I under GF.
Yes.
And then
I said, company said they've starved him of resources. I'm Moko Egypt crowd for tournament crowd. It will be now some yellow Lasula and some motivated ticket crowd. So obviously, he's not happy with the current administration.
By your own capacity, answer. But my discussion, I very interesting. I think he was speaking because I know what he has been doing recently.
Yes.
Yeah, but I heard your own capacity in the year.
What I know he has been doing recently, no, me say the minimum capacity. Until now,
but no name man
and my associating with the senior brother because the senior brother was a former minister of sports in the same sector.
Casa de ba for until can be senior brother. Yeah, Yeah, quite who Nanzani, who is senior brother.
Of course, yes, that one.
And
Yes.
you know, and the or no, I will not.
But I say, "Ya, so kasa." I think say,
was he speaking as a journalist?
with regards to the cleanup,
Or he was speaking as a beach soccer president?
I want to
Or
combine
he
the
was
two.
speaking as a strong admirer and follower of NDC member?
Yeah, he is.
He was. Well, no, see who. All them general. Who and where one to me define it.
Tama say, one, he's a senior journalist. He's a president of Ghana Beach Soccer and a member of the NDC.
Emu dia no just ben na o che samre no.
Me fa NDC just nation no. NDC just nation.
Mr. Cool no can ho na no say embra.
And I say NDC aba.
NDC aba no omo me pa
Now the
mo.
Beach Soccer is under Ghana Football
And what you know,
Association.
Exactly.
there's a lot of rot in there, and there's the need for cleanup. I think that's what can do.
Me there me the beto nje.
Wakasa.
So we be nti we.
Managing director. Tamasa has almost the no
Say oguma.
managing director ho.
Ah,
MD. And Samatas the general manager. Oh, that's a position is no.
No, the general managers are not at the same level of the
MD,
and
no.
CEOs.
Oh, okay.
A CEO ni MD no mo
I come okay. Enti Osei
general managers are not members of the board. They don't attend board meetings.
any sound no. Okay.
The general manager they are na or form kakra.
Okay, Matthias.
Ono managers.
Thank you for the education.
Man okay.
Tama Osei addressing key areas of the team. Osei omo person improve the team no. Now, why do they want to improve the team? So we hear about team na yehu wa han no. Clearly there's the need for an improvement. Clearly there's the need for an improvement in many other areas. Has goalkeeper no ho no mo eye laterals no as I say omo ye ho adwuma kakra se omo ntimi mpagya omo anu ntimi lift omo ho a
Na nya na mpanyin vo ni ono mo mo koye.
so you see Tama
They are no about draft see. Omo nya so mo ni obi. Na ya na ho na wo fa no no. And as a team, most of the players now are young players. Just a few exceptional. Omo nyini biasa.
aha nti Tama won say obo ho no mo a onyini ye but ebia division 1 ho watena ho kakra ebia premier no wanya wabebo no 1 bia na 2 bia account say okofa no a the age no na
Anya obi.
We division 1 for the doso.
Over half of players they have been in the league.
The present is Sunday. Division 1 for quite be 7.
omo don buy no and omo don bo season we no division 2 division 1
na na microphone.
omo an na but edu crunch matches like this time obo say na for be so omo finish susa so on say also onko bo middle rank teams ni bia obobo
Na Kotoko for the name paying for.
oh say dey Kotoko on say Tama Kotoko no nye age no na me hwe o but
And they are blocking no na ba se na ya adwene.
Ni me nya adwene.
Se wo hu striker bia no.
Ba ye she goals. And them nya adwene.
Ah, se am pass obi adumi anya no we.
Sabu ye bo she. Ono no obo anu won she. Ye bo 4 matches and ye she no so bo 5 matches and ye she no. Na e dey no kasa.
Na na wo se omo mbo 4 say no. Omo yan kwala.
Zezai. So mo mbo she no.
Omo na ball 4
no,
say.
omo bo she.
some matches in do meet
Omo
my
bo she.
but we do some match we no so
Match where match.
That be match be anya match.
Tama match nyanya
Match be
pe
anya match. Entina yi kwaje nkola trophy no. But when a player no.
Also nya play du Kotoko na Azana do mabbo.
That
Na ada matches.
the Barcelona struggling nyina am try say player we want experience but we team no.
Na se bebre wo.
Barcelona na make us almost struggling nyina no try.
Na has been him. Kevin was Asibey omo nya
Oh,
play.
Kevin, only track record in Ghana League.
Ah, omo division.
There be na ye track record
I
wa.
say Kevin abo has am say
Has ni Kotoko no boss ye can say ye bia wontia ye wi a. E was say wo hwe at least best defender, best midfielder we san ye dey to. E dey say bia ko team bia so a premier player to akwafa no. San ye nko ye hari to aso.
enti no emi de say the fencing MD no ehuru say ehia say almost ehye team no areas no baby because there are areas of team no baby or no more ehia say ombeye ho it's either the coach will lift some of the players now meet standard no and now so ombe kwako pe bi e dey aba be shame because has of folk ɛyɛ club a yɛ bɔ season no a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ team ɔmo pre league agyeɛ players no ɔmo wɔ no they cannot run through the season na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo kɔgye league the current materials na has wɔn sisi ya no saa ɔmo ahoɔden na ɔmo wɔ no saa ɔmo ɛyi no ebi a ɔmo bɔ 2 more years ka ho a ebi a na afɛ ɔmo du hɔ nom ebi a I'm not saying say ɔmo yɛ bad players o nti bato ɔmo bi nyima no si bɔne but ɔmo ahoɔden no ɔmo nyini sa ɔmo mia ayɛ ɛdo ɔmo bɛkɔ akɔdu sɛ ha sɛ ni abere na kɔtɔkɔ ni abere na media manom na aduana nom na ni abere Chelsea ni abere nom so mo league ma den a ɔmo ni saa energy na ɔmo de bɛkɔ akɔ that long haul no enti ampa me ne MD adwen sɛ ehia sɛ ɔmo fix some key areas bi the right back the left back ɛhɔ ɔmo nyɛ hɔ adwuma kakra ɛnim hɔ no mo ehia adwuma yie paa sɛsɛ unim sɛ boy na obed una am say onipa no the ofinations na nka omo so omo de ne call na say otu kwan no asamo abatin diago no mo frɛ no okwan na okɔ gym na dade akɔbɔ de na so abruchire hɔ
Singapore no
into odi play fi Singapore okɔ na obɔ has okɔ no mprae
na na okɔ justify na
okɔ gym ɔno okra nya na kɔye yamfa wɔ mo yamfa wɔ mo masamba yamfa me ma information say yamfa wɔ mo bu de say me contract na e de mo e de ba form ko nyina we phone yamfa wɔ mo anaska no wɔ form yafa wɔ mo omo ba say has for adwa because has for full say ɔkɔ no has for full say ɔkɔ no mprae ɔkɔ gym so ɔkɔ training a ɔkɔ dade akɔ free abɔ na so abruchire hɔ mɔde aba diago asama boatin it is say has for no so mo nya ko betem na tin contract no
Benjamin Otia no se bon pa ma Asibey wa ko bon pa yi se so the terminate about that
Jonah wan ka se mon pa ye okodu onu o se mimi ntina kodu onu pu bribri na nyampa mo nyimi tum
nti wan nyimi tum sese no
Asibey Kotoko na has match se yiri sin chese sese
we the breaking news
Every unity now win the year.
Because why the Montro
Win in the year.
Exclusive what just win the year.
You cannot
yes, don't ever allow us to play as command.
They can say Jonah.
National organizer.
Jonah yes. Jonah
to the sea.
House of Kotoko.
Asibey is Jonah.
So we can don't Minuwadi. What for player no commander so be kanya. What is the defender slim. Yeah, the minute you don't commander. Emma me catch us ye kokechire nse masa ade na wuje achi ho ye no yempe hase ni Kotoko bi ade na wuje achi ho yempe unim se wo sheko
nya agro nya skills
anya skills unim se wo sheko Kotoko we did fit sheko Kotoko
ya ni
enti ye hunu ade a hari eniema ye hunu no enye ni bi na coach si hunu
yes about to aso breko na
na so organizer
Jonah in house of Kotoko Jonah because born na ye born Asibey beje wako what you say Asibey beje wako record bia obey na house of folk bia ye na be da so
okay
e be do baabi na wa born bra baabi kura ni ye so kasa ka ye so ne ma kuntan ni ntimi so na ma eni ahema to asofo eni ahema to say from 1997 to 2007 Yehudu house of Yehudu Kotoko in Accra Sports Stadium 16 good years on pom check records 16 years they say Yehudu Kotoko was 7 years to 2005 to 2012 207 206 207 yes Kotoko 2004 came close to 2 oboasi ye 1 sunya ye 1 and go for ya be se ba ko to aso nam kuma na maso atadi
enya baako
na record be
enya ba doso
fulani ni ba na twosu wuna no
nanya na wusu
mi su say the man record so chom say ye yom ne bi no dia ye
do mu ye na Asibey mo Kotoko
Asibey dia so ye Jonah in house of folk in Kotoko match
Asibey ti an rebe ho
ye Jonah in house of folk in Kotoko match born nyare ni epe
Jonah Asibey
anyare ni epe but Yehudi o me ani ni
the match dey Jonah no
Yehudi man of the match the results be a results be
Ọ̀ka Jonah ase
ɛyɛ ka Jonah deɛ Jonah
Ọ̀ni Jonah.
Jonah in the house of folk and Kotoko what you say
Ọ̀ni Jonah.
Jonah in the house of folk and Kotoko match
Asibey Sunday nyɛ
ayɛ baako ayɛ mmienu
Na bọ́ọ̀ kọ̀ kyẹ́ntì. Jonah bọ́ọ̀ kọ̀ kyẹ́ so ti da fọ́ mi
Jonah
yí
ti bẹ́ẹ̀ yí
bọ́ọ̀.
ɛna ewie sɛn ɛna ewie sɛn ɛna ewie sɛn eti deɛ kan sɛ
Samate's exclusive.
deɛ kan sɛ yɛ house of folk no yɛ no Kotoko saa deɛ ɔmo ayɛ no yɛ wu deɛ yɛ biam
Abass
wọ́n ti àṣẹ ẹtì bọ́ọ̀ mo fọ́ ni ka sẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ́ òun bí da.
Ó sọ na màmá ni sísẹ.
wọ́n na màá máa sẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ́ aṣẹ́wà tó aṣọ fún ọ náà wọ́n sọ ma tá a di mu dé bi kọ́ so mu wá sẹ́ ẹni aṣẹ́wà tó aṣọ
ayọ́ ma
fún
se
ọ
wa nfa hɔ
ẹnna sọ ayọ́ ma nyàn fún ọ ni aṣẹ́wà náà sọ mọ́sà yẹ yẹ ọdún makira 16 years ní Kumasi ọmú 6 ní yẹ sẹ́ aṣẹ́ mu tó aṣọ 4 kekos 2 ọbọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ 1 sunya 1 2007
That's right.
2007
That's right. Na níbo sọ wọ́n yẹ ekuru exclusive.
I'm told